Hello again, children. Today you are visiting a special place. There is an animal. Look at the animal very carefully and read all the information given. When I ask you a question, give me the answer with full details. Is it a mammal, children?
It is a mammal. It gives birth to babies and feeds them with milk.
Does it have fur?
It has thick fur that keeps it warm.
How does it move? Does it have legs?
It walks and runs on 4 strong legs.
Where does it live? Is it a domestic animal?
It is a wild animal and lives in nature, not with humans.
How about the size of this animal? Is it big?
It is much larger and heavier than a goat.
Is it smaller than a cow?
It is also larger and heavier than a cow.
Is it a herbivorous animal?
It is a carnivore and eats meat.
What else does it eat?
Fish are one of its main foods.
How does it catch its prey?
It has very sharp teeth to catch and tear its prey.
What helps him to catch food?
It has strong claws that help it hunt and walk.
Is it strong and powerful?
It is a very heavy and powerful animal.
What color is it?
Its fur looks white, which helps it hide.
Oh, I can feel it now. Is it a good hunter?
It belongs to a famous hunting family.
Is it a very large carnivore?
It is one of the largest land carnivores in the world.
Is it an aquatic animal? Can it swim?
It is an excellent swimmer and can swim long distances.
Is it a fat animal? How does it protect?
It has a thick layer of fat under its skin to protect it from extreme weather.
Does it live in groups?
It usually lives alone except when a mother stays with her cubs.
Well, I got a clue. Cubs, right? Does it live on snow?
It lives in very cold and snowy regions.
Where does it live?
It lives in the Arctic near the North Pole.
I know the answer. But this time I must ask the audience. Can you give me the answer? Please comment your answer.